Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the Apple Watch model and the case material because removal methods differ. Once done, put on an ESD strap to prevent static damage. Use a suction cup and plastic pry to lift the screen gently. Do not force it. You want to relieve adhesive tension gradually, moving around the perimeter. If you see screws, back them out with the correct drivers. If adhesive dominates, heat briefly to soften it. Make sure to keep screws organized by location. Once the screen is slightly open, disconnect the battery connector first to avoid accidental shorts. This protects the board while you work. Next, detach the display cables using a plastic spudger and note each cable's orientation. Take a photo if needed. Remove any loose screws and compare them to originals. Keep track. Inspect the case edges and internal clips for corrosion or broken tabs, because these determine whether you repair, replace, or re-glue parts later on. You now replace broken clips or apply new adhesive strips because a secure seal restores fit and water resistance. Use 3M adhesive tape cut to shape. Reseat the display cables carefully, reconnect the battery, and tighten screws to a gentle, consistent torque, not too tight. Once assembled, power on and test screen, touch responsiveness, sensors, and Bluetooth. Make sure the watch charges. If it won't power, recheck battery connector and screw positions. Often a loose cable or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.